This is the story based on the theme Importance of Parents. A father's goodness is higher than the mountain, and a mother's goodness is deeper than the sea. Name of the story is Gopi and his son. There was an old man named Gopi who lived with his wife in a village. His son lived in a city. Gopi was missing his son. So he decided to go to the city to meet him. He was very excited to see his son, but unfortunately, someone else opened the door. Gopi asked about his son and got to know that his son has shifted from that house and now is staying at a different location. He felt disappointed. He thought for a while and then went to neighbors. From there, he got the office address of his son. He thanked them and went to his son's office. Gopi reached office and at reception inquired about his son. The receptionist called his son and told him about the visit of his father. The son was very happy about his father's arrival and immediately asked receptionist to send him in his cabin. When Gopi entered in his cabin, his son's eyes were filled with tears to see his father in front of him. They had a simple conversation for a while and then Gopi said to him,
Son, your mother wants to see you. Can you come home with me?
The son replied,
Sorry, Dad. Can't come home now, as I have lots of work, and it would be hard to manage if I leave.
Gopi smiled and said,
It's okay, you may do your work. I will be leaving in the evening for village.
The son got sad and requested his father to stay with him for some days, but Gopi refused, saying,
I didn't want to make you uncomfortable or be a burden to you while you are busy with your work. Hope if you ever have time, then come visit us, as your mom and I would be very happy to see you.
said Gopi, and left. After a few days, the son got some time from his work and thought about his father's visit. He got worried and felt guilty for letting his father leave alone at that time. So he took leave from his office and went to his village to meet his parents. He was shocked to see that his parents were not there at their home. When he inquired about it, he came to know that his parents had left the place and are now living at another place. He got address from neighbor and rushed there. The son noticed that the place seemed like a graveyard. His eyes filled with tears, and in fear he slowly walked towards that place. From a far distance, he saw a hand waving at him. When he looked closely, he noticed that it was his father. He ran and hugged him. Gopi said,
What's wrong? Why are you crying?
Son didn't say anything and kept his head down. Gopi wiped his tears and said,
Why you are sad? Has anything wrong happened?
The son replied,
No, Dad, I never thought to see you in such condition. Why are you living here? Why did you left that house in the village?
Gopi replied,
Son, I had taken a loan for your studies and you moved to the city. Later, due to loss in farming, I was not able to repay that debt. I came to you and saw you were already stressed with your work. I didn't want to burden you with this problem, so I had to sell our house to repay that loan.
The son whispered,
But you could have told me. I'm your son.
Gopi replied,
Son, I didn't want to cause you any trouble, so I kept quiet. All I want is your happiness.
The sad son hugged his father tightly and apologized for not helping him and letting him go off that day. He asked for his forgiveness. Gopi replied,
Don't be sorry, son. I am happy to see you. And all I want is that you spend some time with us. We love you very much, and in this old age, it's difficult to travel to the city to see you. Just come to meet us whenever you have time. Your mom and I would be more than happy to see you, even if you are here for a short time.
The son hugged his father lovingly. The moral of the story is give time to your parents when they need you. Don't leave them behind as they are the true reason for your success.